life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying.
Welcome to the program. We're watching Sean bike. My name is Sean Santamaria. Marcus Mansion. Okay tayo dyan, then we're going to Cambalahon. You know what it is. It's RevPal Thursday. Tara, join us. We're with the RCC.
I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place.
Okay. Let me give you guys a situation. Nakapila ka sa Starbucks, no? Say there's 5 people in front of you. Sa Starbucks, alam natin yan. Ang mga nagpupunta dyan, more or less, alam na nila kung ano orderin nila. Automatic yan. You have your go-to drink pag nag-Starbucks ka. Ito, case in point, I'm gonna ask Mel. Melissa, ambush question.
What's that?
What's your Starbucks drink? Go.
My Starbucks drink is hot latte.
Hot latte. Oh, automatic, di ba? I was making a point. Ang mga nakapila sa Starbucks, a big percentage, yung mga tao dyan alam na nila
Oo nga.
kung ano orderin nila. Automatic yan. You have your go-to drink, di ba?
Correct, correct.
Yeah, no, my point of discussion is, nakakainis ang taong nasa unahan mo. Pagdating dun sa counter,
Hindi ma-decide.
saka palang titingin. Saka palang titingin, tapos ang daming tanong.
Ay, oh, yeah.
Diba? Malayo pa sa pila, dapat alam mo na, okay lang yung may tanong eh, sige. Pero, I'll forgive you kung matanda, ganyan.
That means you're not regulars.
They're not regulars and that's okay.
Yeah.
But, if you're holding the line behind you,
Yeah.
at hindi mo pinauna yung nasa likod mo,
Nakakainis.
ibang usapan na yan, di ba?
Yeah.
Right. 2 km pain segment is done. That felt good. So, ang real sense na sinasabi ko is, if you're comfortable with inconveniencing others, may problema sa'yo. Hey Derek!
Hello.
Pag kampante ka, komportable ka, at wala kang pakialam na may sinasagabal na iba, oh man, I can't be your friend. Who wants to be buddies with someone like that, diba? Look at these balancing cows. You know, in cities like San Francisco, busy cities, maski sa Makati, wag na tayo lumayo. Pag pumila ka, people behind you expect na alam mo na ang orderin mo. And the point is, mabilisan lang dapat. No? As we approach the King of RevPal marker with Bobby, I am catching my breath like nobody's business. Okay. Kailangan mabilis. Minsan, as we see Mel approach the King of RevPal sign. First time niya dito eh. Promote natin channel. Ano man channel natin?
Actually, wala pang load eh.
Wala pa load. Abangan. So, what's it
Abangan
gonna be called?
Direk Carlos.
Direk
YouTube.
Carlos. Ayan, si Direk Carlos. Kasama ko sa RCC. Bobby, may channel ka?
Wala pa.
Maski sa
Tried lang.
sa Pornhub, wala. Wala.
Wala pa. 18 years.
18 years old. Wala pa. Huwag nyo na abangan to si Bobby. There are situations na hindi mo naman alam ang orderin mo pa. Let's say first time mo sa Starbucks or you were just confused that morning kung anong kape mo. No? Kaya pagdating mo dun sa counter, saka ka palang nagde-decide. Tumabi ka. Diba? May naghihintay sa likod mo eh. Basic yan. Etiquette. Respeto lang. Masyado ko na rin sigurong ginasgas yung Starbucks scenario. I have another scenario and malapit sa akin to. Ito yung mga nag-recline ng upuan sa aeroplano. Economy ha. Yung may kalikod. Hindi naman bawal mag-recline, di ba? Pero hindi naman porket pwede, gagawin mo eh. Right? So hati tayo dito sa opinion na to. Let me know what you think. Ikaw ba mismo? Do you recline your seat in the airplane? Going back to what I said, hindi porket pwede, gagawin mo. Sa elevator, pwede namang umutot eh. Gagawin mo ba yun? When you're in the bus, the train, or any public place na enclosed, magpapatugtog ka ba ng malakas na music? Diba? Gawin mo kung gusto mo. Pero nakakaperwisyo ka. This now becomes a discussion of whether may modo ka o wala. This is my take. Kung nasa economy ka, huwag kang mag-recline. That's just my personal rule. Sikip na dyan eh. Nakakaabala ka. We're here by the way sa area na papunta kila Aling P. Papunta ng Carjack Hill. And this is our way back to Nuvali. Kung gusto mo mag-recline, dun ka sa business or first class. Right? Kung may pambili ka naman, go get the expensive seats. Now, itong advice na to, hindi naman para sa lahat ito, no? Eh, ba't pag ginawang recliner yung chair? Kung hindi rin naman gagamitin. Oo, naintindihan natin yun. Pero I'm gonna go back to what I said. Hindi porket pwede, gagawin mo. Nakakaabala ka eh. Pwede naman magpaalam, di ba? Diba, sabihin mo, bro, recline ko lang ah. Yung nasa likod mo, papayag naman yun eh. 9 times out of 10, papayag naman yun eh. Pero tandaan mo, pinareview mo pa rin yung tao. Pinasikip mo yung space niya na binayaran din naman niya. Gets? Hindi naman porket umuo eh, ayos na. Kaya nga, it's a matter of ang ingay ng truck. It's a matter of etiquette and respect nga. At hindi lahat mayroon nun. Oh man, sarap.
Araw-araw pa. Araw-araw pa bago ka sa... Uy!
may mga airplane na naka-recline na. So you can't recline it manually, pero nakababa na siya. May slight angle na. Like the airplane that we rode. Pabalik na nag-Japan kami. Pabalik na Manila. It's a 2-lane airplane, so malaki. Naka semi-recline na, but you can't manually move it. So sana ganyan, no? Naiiwasan niya yung issue ng mga nagre-recline. Lagay niyo na sarili niyo sa pwesto ng taong may nag-recline sa unahan mo, no? Tapos sumikip na yung space mo. It's unpleasant. We're here, by the way, inside Ayala West Grove. Santa Rosa pa rin. So instead of going down Carjack Hill, pumasok kami dito. Dagdag milyahe ng konti para maiba naman din. So nice here, isn't it? Guys, okay? Lagay nyo lang dyan sa comments, or you could DM me on Instagram kung anong feel nyo. Follow me on Instagram nga pala. I'm very active on Instagram. Or if you have questions or suggestions, mas mabilis ako sumagot sa Instagram, okay? Pero lagay nyo na rin sa comments dito sa YouTube. I'd like to know your thoughts. What do you think about people who are comfortable inconveniencing others? Right? Pati dun sa mga specific examples ko na rin, nag-recline ba kayo sa plano? Anong tingin nyo dun? Playing music out loud, public places. Let me know.